Yo, what's going on guys, OpticalGaming here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make awesome, clean and simple thumbnails in Photoshop. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to create a new file. So you go to File, New, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to make it a tutorial. You want to go to Pixels and then make it 1920 by 1080, resolution 300, RGB color white, stuff like that. Now you just press OK. It'll make you a new file, of course. And then after that, you want to pick a good background picture. I'm gonna leave this website in the description. It's unsplash.com. It has tons of like really high quality photos. I recommend it a lot. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use a picture of my desktop background because that's just what I'm making today. So I'm just gonna go place and then this picture, and then I'm just gonna leave it like that. You can resize it however you want. If you want to modify it, you can modify it. But after this, you want to go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur, and then you want to pick a nice blur between 10 and 20 maybe. You don't want to go all the way up because that just looks nasty. You can't even see anything. Yeah, it just looks nasty. So I'm just gonna keep it where it was at 18. That looks pretty good. And then press OK. And then now you want to go to blending options, and I have like a style where it glows like on the edges. Here I'm gonna show you like what it is. You can pause and like copy all the settings if you want. You don't need the color overlay, but if you want, I mean, it has a nice touch. You can go ahead and copy that. And then this, you can copy this, and then the inner glow, which is the glowing edges, which looks cool in my opinion. Now we're moving on to the text. I'm just gonna be making the thumbnail I made on my latest video. You guys should check it out. It's on the cards on the right corner, I think, or somewhere. Yeah, you can get FL Studio for free. Anyway, we're gonna create a text. Actually first I'm gonna place the FL Studio logo. And then I'm gonna resize it. You don't want to make it like, you don't want to like have it like super big because it just doesn't look good. You want to have like a not too small but not too big, like a medium size. There you go. For this one, I'm gonna be putting FL Studio for free, Producer Edition 2018. So FL Studio, and then I'm gonna put 12, and then click on this, resize it, and then choose any font you want. For this, I'm just gonna be choosing Anagram. You don't want to put it in the middle because that's gonna look bad. You want to put it like on the left somewhere. Okay, once you're done creating the text, you want to go ahead and group them all, except for the background. You don't want to have that. I'm gonna name this text. And then you want to go to blending options, and then you want to color overlay, and then make it a white or black. If your background is like whitish, then make it black. If it's like mine is like kind of dark, so I'm gonna make it white, and it looks a lot more like natural. I don't know, looks a lot better. And then you want to drop a shadow. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger, and more size, and distance I'm gonna make it more like a little bit down, kind of. You also want to make an outer glow so it looks, you know, a lot better. You don't want to make it too much because it looks bad. It just a little bit. And screen, you can copy out the settings if you want. And then I'm gonna put this in. This is just to like give it like a little bit of texture on the text. We'll put like a 3 or something. Yeah, that looks good. And that's pretty much it. That's all I did. It looks clean, it looks simple, and it looks very appealing to the eye. That's what you want to achieve for your audience. So this is gonna be it. I hope all of you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like. You should go and check out my latest video. It's on the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.